Hello guys, today I'm doing the review of a book, The Art of 64-Bit Assembly Language by Randall Hyde. As I in my university I am studying computer science as bachelor's, so it's my course of computer organization and assembly language. In my course that have started from today, in the university, my teachers have taught me various topics about assembly language, what it is. Assembly language is basically a low level language used in computer hardwares often because of the development of computer hardware. Now, as we study assembly language, we study about what is going on inside the computer hardware, like in our smartphone, what is happening in the processor, or the what's happening in the chips and the microprocessors or logic gates. So, for this, I also introduce you to a book which I today is reviewing, The Art of 64-Bit Assembly Language by Randall Hyde. It's a book. It's a very classic book used by many teachers and authors, many teachers by universities and also online to study the assembly language. Now, as we further get into the book, we see that the chapters are include Hello World of assembly language. Then the number 2 chapter is about the computer data representation and operations. As you see in the Hello World, you study about some running programs of studying about memories and also about Microsoft API nodes and its running function resulting in assembly language. Chapter 2, Computer Data Representation and Operating. In we study about number system, the binary number systems, data organization, bits, nipples, bytes, words, double words, and the logic gates operation and NOR, NOT, ON, XOR, and NOT. It is also used in DLD Digital Project Design course in the universities of computer science bachelor's. It's a very handful knowledge to know about it. Then we have subsign extensions, then we have shifts and rotates and binary code, decimal representation, the ASCII character encodings, we have Unicodes. In chapter 3 we have memory access and organization, in which we study about runtime memory organization, study about what memory access is, about the 86-64 addressing modes, registers addressing mode, memory addressing modes, large address unaware applications, the publish instructions, the stack history for data structure. And chapter 4 we study about constant variables and data types, the ML instruction, the inc and reg instruction, MCM constant declaration, constant operation. It has procedures, in which we study about different procedures like saving the state of the machine, the assembly language standard anti-sequence, pass of value. Further we study about arithmetic. Arithmetic is as we study in university, the professor taught us that the only operations the computer is doing inside the low level languages is arithmetic, is only doing additions, and the all operation is derived from the additions, like multiplication, division, and subtraction are done with the help of addition. So arithmetic is the most important performance and calculation in the computer hardware systems and low level languages, which is understood by the computer. Also we study about low level control structures, study about arrays and label addresses, registers, indirect jumps, trampolines, and conditional move instructions. We also study about loops which also is loops are all like which is the basics of all programming languages. Advanced study we study advanced mathematics, extended precision operations, and more about law, extended precisions and operations, and or not. These are all logic gates. Numeric conversions, converting numeric value into a string, converting numeric value into hexadecimal, and formatting conversions. Also we have table lookups, SIMD instructions. We also study about chapter 12 is about bit manipulation, when we study what is bit anime data. Chapter 13 we study macros and MELMs, compile time language. Then we study the string instructions, managing complex projects, standalone assembly language programs, which is the last part is composed of ASCII character set, glossary, installing and using Visual Studio, the Visual Studio command line, how to use it. It's a book by Randall Hyde of San Francisco. It is The Art of 64-Bit Assembly Language, Volume 1, Machine Organization and Programming. Now we see the introductions and further we go into it. The book is really composed of programs which you can copy and paste and implement it in the program, which is very easy to use and helpful as you're learning the book, as is not only theory based but also you can perform practically in the PC. From for running the assembly language you can use the software of DOSBox. In my next video I will also review the DOSBox software, so how can you run it. It's now for today I am only showing you the basic concepts of assembly language, why it is used, where it is used, and what are the implementation and application of this language in the real world. So these are my reviews, and further I will more talk about the DOSBox and other assembly language operation. Thank you.